Here's a 2016 Toyota Tundra, full-size cab in the back. It's got 17,000 miles. It's actually the TRD package. One owner with a clean Carfax in mineral gray or a dark charcoal gray. Really a sharp-looking truck here. Of course, Toyota is a brand that's known for its resale value, low cost of ownership, and reliability. One thing you're going to see here is some nice halogen headlamps. Also has your integrated halogen fog lights in the lower bumper fascia of the front. You can see the classic Toyota grille there with plenty of chrome on the front of it to really set off that dark color, charcoal color. And when you come around to the side, you can see that the TRD wheels are really a good looking wheel. You got a brushed aluminum face, black deep pocket centers, and center cap area. Also, this has Michelin tires on it, a good half tread, probably 6-7/30 seconds or so, so plenty of life left in those tires. Also, as you peek in through the wheel, you can see a nice brand new rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. As we look in through the passenger side front seat area, you can see a two-tone cloth seating with light texture in the middle and a darker bolster. You also have two captain's chairs with a full console in between. You can see some more little aluminum cues there, dark charcoal carpeting that continues throughout the door panel there, as you can see. You can see it is the SR5 with the TRD off-road package. And you can see here how huge and spacious this rear cab area is. Plenty of leg, hip, and shoulder room for your rear occupants. Also, you can see the air ducts there to keep your temperature control back here, and also a 12-volt power supply to hook up your electric devices for the rear seat area as well. And also want to show you the matching Michelins and a beautiful wheel, no scuffs or scrapes. Also like to show you the frame rail. You can see nothing but factory black paint, no oxidation whatsoever on that frame. Also, as you can see, it does have the factory flaps on the front and the rear. You can, like I said, can see the badging for the TRD package on the bedside. Of course, we got the backup camera factory here. We got your class 3 tow hitch with your integrated wiring, brand new spare underneath as well. So we dropped it to easy drop tailgate. You can see there that you have factory spray-in liner to protect the bed. Another very nice feature. Continuing around to the driver's side, you can see again the matching Michelins, no scuffs or scrapes on the wheel, really looks good. Again, that frame rail brand new, no marks or scrapes, no oxidation at all. And then we'll just give you a look here through the driver's side rear seat area just to show you it's very, very clean. No rips, tears, stains, or odors in the interior. Previous owner was a non-smoker, so there's no foul odors there at all. And then as we look in through the driver's side, you can see it, unlike the passenger side, has a full power seat, including lumbar. Also want to show you the key. We do have two of these. It is a split key with a fob. There's your integrated key fob, and you can see your split key. Also, your windows and your door locks are on the door panel there. Let's go ahead and jump into the truck. And like I say, we keep the mechanical evaluation in the glove box. We keep a copy of the auto history report on the dash. You can see one owner, clean history report there. Also want to show you the exact miles. Let's go ahead and start the truck up. Give you a look at those. I believe it's 17,700 miles if memory serves. We'll go ahead and just play around here and see if we can check that out for you. There it is, 17,794 original miles. Let's continue the tour. Your power mirrors are over here. You also have the ability to turn on a cargo dome light. There's your dimmers. There's your cargo light. You do have your blind spot monitoring, which is a nice feature. A lot of trucks don't have that. Your power rear sliding window button is right there. The stem on the left has your headlamp controls as well as your high beams and your turn signals. Stem to the right, intermittent wiper washers. The third stem is your cruise control, Bluetooth or hands-free, control pad for your center viewing screen, and your audio controls for your steering wheel down here. This is the upgraded premium sound with the single CD, AM, FM, and satellite radio, as you can see. We can go back to home and you can see, you can also, of course, pair your phone. You have other different apps that can be downloaded. There's your climate control features. There's your electronic shift on the fly four-wheel drive transfer case. And over here you can see your parking sensors. You can turn them on and off. Traction control, you can turn it on and off. There's your tow haul button. There's your integrated factory brake controller. We got 3 large cup holders up here. We do have some auxiliary and USB inputs, 12-volt power supplies on either side. All your connectivity right in there. We got a floor shifter with the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission in S, which is sport mode. And we also have a huge well here to keep your items with yet another 12-volt power supply. Electronic dimming rear view mirror with your universal home link and your compass integrated into the glass there. Illuminated visors, very well equipped on this SR5 TRD model. Now let's go ahead and pop the hood. Hood releases right here. This has the upgraded 5.7 liter V8. You know, an engine that Toyota has used for a long time. Like I say, very tried and true, very reliable. You can see how extremely clean this engine bay is. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, 0 corrosion on the battery terminals. I mean, it looks like it's brand new underneath the hood. Obviously, 17,000 miles. It's been very, very gently used. Now I'm going to shut this truck off, excuse me, just to get rid of a little of the noise, and we're getting the next portion of the video. Of course, I explained the mechanical evaluation and the auto history reports and where they're located in this truck. Last part of this vehicle, just going to do a quick cosmetic walk around, point out any minor imperfections the vehicle may have. We try to buy these vehicles absolutely as clean as possible. There's a small little scratch and chip. Obviously, it's impossible to keep a vehicle perfect when driving down the road, so we're going to have a couple little stone chips. But the vehicle shows no signs of any prior paint. All the body lines are nice and straight. I don't even notice a ding or dent on this whole left side, driver's side. The bumper looks very, very clean. Tailgate looks very, very clean. Typically, I mean, we don't even really have any scuffs on this protective cover. I mean, this truck looks like it's hardly had anything even put in the bed. The other bed side, just like the rest, extremely clean. No chips, dings, dents. Everything looks good. We got a small little scuff on the center of that door. We got another little scuff on the front door below the door handle. Other than that, it looks good. Even the back of the mirrors look fine. Couple little spots there on the fender. Front, couple little stone chips, a little bit of bug damage. Again, very, very common. Again, on this side, same. On the front of the hood also, just a few. Couple little chips, couple stones found home here. Up on this hood. I'll quickly pan across, but guys, this is just as clean a vehicle as you'll find on a 16 model, as low a miles as you'll find on a 16 model. Still does have the remainder of Toyota's comprehensive and powertrain warranties that are transferable to the next owner, so you can buy this truck with confidence. I don't expect it to be here long, so if you're interested, there's a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com, or you can give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.